Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to get rewards and offers on Starbucks app. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on the Starbucks app and then unlock it. Now what you need to do is you need to look at this option called profile icon here, and it will show you at what tier you are. So I am basically at the welcome tier since I've just installed this app, and you will need to spend a certain amount of money in order to upgrade your level. So there are basically three levels, like welcome tier and green tier, and then there is a golden tier. So I will show you how you can do that. So basically at the welcome tier you can get a free birthday beverage on your birthday. In your birthday month, at any time you order in that month, you will get a free birthday beverage, and you will also get a free size upgrade. And that's just two benefits in the welcome tier. But if you upgrade to green tier, you will get 4 benefits, and for golden tier you will get all of these benefits here. So I'm basically at the welcome tier. So in order to upgrade to green tier, I will need to earn 5 stars. So how we are going to do that is, we will in order to attain 1 star, you need to spend at least 300 rupees, which is Indian rupees, which basically converts around $3.50 US dollar. So you can earn 1 star on every 300 spent on your registered Starbucks card. So if we get 5 stars, we will get green tier, so we will get these benefits. And if we get 25 stars in 12 months, so we will get then golden tier, which will unlock so many benefits which are available here. So that's how you can do that. You will need to basically spend 300 rupees, which is around $3.50 US dollar. So you will earn 1 star. So that's how you can upgrade and get rewards and benefits. So that's how you can do it. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.